Hello everyone. In today's video, I would like to talk about video sitemap and the benefits of it. It's a powerful tool in your SEO arsenal. So today I want to talk about the importance of video sitemaps and provide a step-by-step guide on creating one to enhance your website's ranking on search engines. A video sitemap is a specialized file that provides search engines with essential information about the videos on your website. This information includes details such as video title, descriptions, durations, and thumbnail images. By creating a video sitemap, you make it easier for search engine bots to crawl and index your video content accurately. What are the benefits? Well, the benefits of video sitemap is that it helps improve ranking and indexing. Video sitemaps allow search engines to understand the structure of your video content, making it more likely for them to include your videos in search results. Enhanced SERP features. Search engines may use video sitemap information to display rich snippets in search results, including video thumbnail, title, and descriptions, which can significantly increase click-through rates. Better user experience. A well-organized video sitemap helps users find relevant videos more easily, enhancing their overall experience on your website. Creating your video sitemap is like this. Ensure video markup, like use a schema markup called video object on your video page to provide the structured data to search engines. Include details such as title, description, duration, and thumbnail URL. Generate video URLs. Create a list of all the video URLs on your website. Ensure that these URLs lead directly to the video content rather than intermediary pages. Especially if you're a tarot reader, astrologer, and you provide daily basis videos, it's a good idea to have video sitemap on your website if you have created a website. I highly recommend to create a website as well. It's very easy. There are very free tools which you can use and create information if you make money off of tarot reading and psychic readings, or if you're a software developer. I highly recommend to have to create videos to explain about the benefits of your software or plugins. Or if you're a product owner, it is good to have video introduction and video tutorials about the benefits of your products and services. Or if you're into skincare, if you're a dermatologist, and it's better to have some videos demonstrating your products or services and demonstrating it, because some videos, some information from non-specialists may create misinformation online, and those are the information that highly ranks. And the reason is that they promote those videos through Facebook group, their dedicated Facebook groups. And this is when, for example, if someone has a skin problem and types in Google about specific, for example, a step-by-step guide on how to remove eye bags, or a step-by-step guide on how to improve turkey neck, you see those. So as a dermatologist and doctor, it's better to have your information, to create information, to create video, to spread the word on the right processes of, for example, removing turkey neck. And then at the end of the video, you may want to provide your services. Or if you're you own a travel agency, or you have a bigger organization, real estate and government organization, it is very beneficial to have videos along with your content, and then create sitemap for videos. And this is how you will be able to spread the word about your products and services. And when you create your sitemap, for example, add video specific tag, like utilize video specific tags such as video, content, player, thumbnail. These tags in your schema markup provide additional information about your videos and make it easier. Actually, today you have to spoon feed search engines and make the environment suitable for search engines to search engine bots to crawl your websites. And so it's submit your sitemap video to search engines. And what I like very much in Google Search Console is that there is a section on the left side about video, so you can see the performance of your video on Google Search Console and the other search engines. And try to regularly update your sitemap, because sitemap is such a, if you, for example, 3 times a week you write blogs, you may want to update your sitemap, or create videos, you may want to update your video sitemap. Then monitor performance. Keep track of your video content's performance in search results, and analyze data on impressions, clicks, and rankings to refine your strategy and improve visibility. So you see, my friends, creating a video sitemap is a proactive step toward optimizing your video content for search engines. By providing accurate and structured information, you increase the chances of your videos being discovered by your target audience. Then stay updated with best practices and search engine algorithms to continuously refine your video SEO strategy and boost your website's overall ranking. So I hope that this video was useful to you, and until next time, have a lovely day and stay safe. Bye, my friends.